Is the news tightening against former principal of the RG Kar Hospital, and that's Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. He's been transferred, he's been given authority and in charge of another hospital in college. But now, for the CBI, for the Kolkata police, for the government and for people, he has come under intense scrutiny because many have made allegations. And I reiterate, these are allegations and charges against him, yet to be proven, but saying that there have been misconduct, there have been violations ethically, specifically ethical and in medical practices. And there is a reason now that he's being constantly questioned now by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Bengal government has also formed an SIT to probe Sandeep Ghosh's financial misconduct. The panel has been formed to investigate allegations, basically, that has come in the past few years of his tenure from former colleagues, from those who have worked under his supervision. Now, BJP, however, has slammed Mamata government for starting a SIT probe in this. They are saying that basically the Kolkata police intends to stop CBI from questioning him further, because if the Kolkata police arrests him on whatever charges, even on financial misconduct, the CBI will not be able to question him or take him in custody. And that is the whole point of a cover-up here. Meanwhile, the CBI has questioned Dr. Ghosh for about 4 constant days. He has been asked to specify his role, about what happened once the death of the doctor, as news reached him. What did he do? What could he have done better? What he did not do. So that's the big news coming in. Remember, in 2021, as he was made in charge of this hospital, there was also a time when he was transferred for some reason to another hospital in Murshidabad, and then he was brought back. He was reinstated. And there are some former colleagues who have come forth in open, remember, not anonymously, in open, to say that he's fully corrupt. He's done a lot of malpractices. It was running like a mafia-like operation. And then there are a lot of colleagues, it appears, who appear to have told the investigators in this. Meanwhile, the chorus is growing for justice on the streets. And this chorus is primarily for hope, for change. This should be the last time that a woman, and a doctor at that, in her hospital, should be harmed brutally in this manner. But they're also asking for a thorough investigation. The CBI visited victims' residence for over 7 hours. They have tried to understand their perspective as well. They are asking why they are questioning the ongoing investigation by the police and the government. What are their fear? Amid all of this, remember, it's because the family maintains that first the authorities of the hospital and the police tried to pass this off as a suicide. Then they hurriedly intended to cremate the body when this was clearly a suspicious, mysterious, gruesome death. The Supreme Court, meanwhile, is scheduled to hear a suo motu cognizance in the Kolkata case, and that's scheduled for about 10:30 a.m.
मेरा संजय के संग बहुत गलत रिश्ता चलता था। इस तरह से मैं बेटी को नहीं देख सकता था। शादी 2 साल हुआ था, उसमें बीमार गिरा, मारा धरा, बीमार गिरा, 3 महीना का पेट में बच्चा था, वो भी खराब किया। किसी के संग नहीं था। पहला एक शादी हुआ था और दूसरा में हमारी बेटी थी, और उसका बाद नहीं। संजय ठीक नहीं था। अब उसको आप लोग फांसी में चढ़ाइए, चाहे जो चढ़ाइए।
आपको लगता है ये जो जघन्य अपराध हुआ है, संजय कर सकता है ऐसा? अब
उसमें देखिए, ये अपराध में इसमें हम नहीं बोलेगा। अब जहाँ हुआ, अकेला लड़का उसको मार खत्म कर नहीं सकेगा। अकेला तो उसका कैपेसिटी नहीं होगा।
इसलिए ये काला धागा इस देश के लिए हम लोग एक होके जो न्याय मांग रहे हैं, वी वांट जस्टिस, इसके लिए हम लोग आज यहाँ पे है। इतना इनोसेंट, इतना मतलब गरीब मेहनती लड़की, गरीबों के लिए इतना सोचती थी, उसके साथ ऐसा जो काम करना चाहती है, एक लड़की को ऐसे चले जाना हुआ।
CBI is India's prime investigation agencies. I do not want to comment on their investigation at all. I trust they'll do a good job about that. People will get justice. The court is involved in this. The Calcutta High Court is there. Now, the Supreme Court of India, the Chief Justice himself, has taken the lead to hear the case suo motu. We do expect something good will come out of this.
So first, remember, the TMC leaders were questioned that despite a woman chief minister, so many women leaders, why are they so quiet? Why are they silent? But when they started to speak up, it looked like while many of them were expressing solidarity and support, there are also some TMC leaders giving bizarre remarks, insensitive to say the least. 2 of them here. Let's listen into that.
জনরোষ হবে যদি হাসপাতালে রোগী মারা যায়, ডাক্তাররা যদি ডাক্তারি না করে অবরোধের নাম করে বাড়ি চলে যায়, যদি বয়ফ্রেন্ড নিয়ে ঘুরতে যায়, তাহলে তো অটোমেটিক হবেই। রোগী যদি বিনা চিকিৎসায় হাসপাতালে মারা যায়, তাহলে মানুষ কি ছেড়ে দেবে গ্রামের মানুষ?
আমার বক্তব্য এই ঘটনায় যারা মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের দিকে আঙুল তুলছেন, নোংরা ভাষায় সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ায় মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়কে গালাগালি করছেন, যারা আঙুল তুলে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের পদত্যাগ চাইছে, সেই আঙুলগুলোকে চিহ্নিত করে সেই আঙুলগুলোকেও ভেঙে দেওয়ার বন্দোবস্ত করতে হবে। নাহলে পরে এরা বাংলাকে একটা নতুন করে বাংলাদেশ করবার চেষ্টা করবে, কিন্তু ওরা জানে না হাসিনা যে ভুল করেছে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় সেই ভুল করবে না, করেনি। তাই আরজি করে ওইভাবে ভাঙচুর করার পরেও পুলিশ কিন্তু গুলি চালায়নি। পুলিশ এখানে বাংলাদেশ করতে দেবে না, সরকার এখানে বাংলাদেশ করতে দেবে না।
Joining me now, my colleague Ritik Mondal. He's constantly trying to get us updates on this. Ritik, you tell me, because the least that some of these leaders can do, if not help, at least keep their mouth shut. And yet they'll speak these reactions and give these statements, knowing fairly well how that really sounds. The question is, while Mamata Banerjee is trying to go after some of the protesters, wouldn't she want to put a whip on her own netas?
True. And, there are also, putting more ghee in the fire, because we do understand that amidst a situation when pressures are mounting and such bizarre comments coming from TMC Neta ministers it could create another round of ruckus. And the party need to understand that there should be some sort of sweep to the leader to remain mum at this point in time. Even it is not that the Udayan Guho or Arup Chakraborty, you had Kalyan Banerjee with regards to this matter while addressing a gathering in a political program. His statement, remember, he is the member of the parliament and as well as a very veteran lawyer, politician. So his comment was also, we do see a lot of anger it's triggering on social media. So it shows that the party is losing its control over its leader, and perhaps it could also see in the light that the leaders are losing their patience. But this is not the time to create or to come up with such bizarre comments. They need to understand the sentiment of the city, the sentiment of the people of the West Bengal and across country. So they want justice, and such kind of comment is considered as bizarre, and it should be condemned from the top leaders of the party. It would be interesting to see what the party's reaction would be. Remember, Kunal Ghosh reacted to the comment or the social media post of very veteran politician Shukhendu Shekhar Roy, when he also demanded justice, demanded
That's right.
custodial
There were
inquiry
two leaders and men at that who decided to come forth, speak even against the government, question it, saying you're not going ahead in the right direction. And yet you have some of these netas who fail to understand what exactly is the gravity of the situation. Ritik, please keep tracking all the latest on that, and perhaps our netas have to lead. There has to be a stronger law, effective at that, and importantly, those who are in influential positions to at least choose their words carefully when you're talking about cases like sexual abuse and torture.